G'day guys, thanks for watching. For this video, I decided to just record and time-lapse some warm-up drawings. When drawing characters recently, I noticed that my construction of hands has become really rough, so I thought I'd just do some quick hand studies and not really focus too much on the results. Essentially going into it with the mindset that there are gonna be some ugly drawings in this bunch, and that's okay. Moreover, I wanted to get a little bit experimental with the style of hands I was drawing and not stick too closely to any one format just for the sake of cohesion alone. I think, like a lot of artists, hands are something that I've really struggled with in the past. They've become a little bit simpler for me recently just from practice. But I'm still not in a place where I can draw hands completely anxiety-free. The other thing is that although I think doing a bunch of warm-ups like this can really help your hand drawing along, it's not the exact same skill as sketching out your hand attached to a character. I'm not sure exactly why this is. I guess it's because you have to consider things like character acting, proportions, and probably the types of hand poses very dramatically too. So far, I'm really only a fan of the first hand that I drew, but I have to remember that it doesn't matter. Here I started testing out some watercolor brushes and seeing if I could layer in the skin color for the hands. It was a cool little experiment. I think I definitely need some more practice. So the two hands to the bottom left, as rough as they are, I'm a really big fan of. I think they strike a nice balance between stylization and proper hands. So that's the end of this round of hand drawing studies. I told you we were going to make some ugly hands, and I definitely fulfilled that promise. I hope you at least enjoyed the relaxing music, and if you want to stick around for an extra minute, I'm also going to chuck in my ear drawing studies too. Hand study warm-ups and ear study warm-ups might seem a fairly arbitrary thing to make a video about. And that's because they kind of are. They just happen to be things that I was having a little bit of trouble with, and I wanted to shore up my drawing skills on both. That's it, so thank you for watching.